Hello friends, welcome to my channel in Aditya 83. Today we are doing a topic of moment of inertia from rotational mechanics. It is a sum from H.C. Verma, page 196. It is problem number 16. The problem is saying the surface density of a circular disk of radius a depends on the distance from the center as rho r equals to a plus br. We can consider a and b to be constants. Find its moment of inertia about the line perpendicular to the plane of the disk. So the situation is something like this. This is a disk of radius, suppose a, as given in the question, and we have to find the moment of inertia about a line perpendicular to the disk. This is the line. Now for this, we see that the surface density, that is the mass surface density, it is rho r, which is mass per area. This is not constant because it is depending on the distance from the center. So for these cases, the moment of inertia is given by I equals to r square dm, right? Where dm is the mass of a very small element located on the ring, on the disk. So what do we do here? We take a radius r from the center, and with that radius we take a very ring. We take a ring of radius r and thickness dr. So this is our ring. It is having a radius r and having a thickness dr. The mass of this ring, the mass of this ring is our dm. So as we know from our previous cases that the moment of inertia of a ring about an axis perpendicular to its plane and passing through center is given by I equals to mr square. So what do we do here? We take the ring. So the moment of inertia of this small ring about this center will be di, that is dm into r square, correct? Now if we integrate this ring from this point up to this point, that is from r equals to 0 to r equals to a, we will get this whole disk. This ring, small rings will cover this whole disk, and we will get the total moment of inertia. Now we have to convert this dm in terms of r. We know that the mass per area is rho r, so I can write dm equals to rho r into dA, where dA is small area of ring, correct? This dA is 2 pi r dr. Okay, so we are putting the value here, a plus br into 2 pi r dr. Now the moment of inertia, small moment of inertia di, is this thing into r square, as we have already shown. So a plus br into 2 pi r dr into r square. Now if I arrange it properly, it becomes 2 pi a into r cube plus b into r power 4. So we have got the expression for di, which is due to this small ring about this point center O, suppose. Now if I integrate this thing from here to here, I will get the full coverage of the disk. So I equals to integral di equals to 2 pi integral a r cube plus integral b r4. We have to put a dr here, and dr from where to where integrate. What are the limits? From r equals to 0 to r equals to a. So we put here 0 and put here a. We put here 0 and put here a. Now we carry out our conventional integration methods. A r to the power 4 by 4 from 0 to a plus b r to the power 5 by 5 from 0 to a. So our result comes as a by 4 a to the power 4 plus b by 5 a to the power 5. This is the moment of inertia that we are looking for of this total disk about this center O. Thank you for watching my video. I will come up with more topics in my rest of the classes that will continue from here. Please refer to my video and please watch my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Till then, goodbye.